We would like to thank USAPEEC's Board of Directors to unanimously choose to give a $250,000 donation to Fonset in order to help 5 communities in Chiapas in Mexico that suffered due to the past 2 big earthquakes back in September. This video shows the reconstruction of 4 different housings from Josue, Fernando, Jaudi, and Ercilia. They live in Villaflores, and their houses are being rebuilt thanks to this donation. This is just an example of the rebuilding process that includes at least 73 houses, benefiting 296 people, translated into more than 100 families. The access to these communities gets worse during rainy season, so we really need to hurry. Again, thanks for making this happen.